XTI set to fly, but not with the launch of the long-awaited Trifan 600? Instead, taking off with the flight of a swarm of small flying machines? Yes, let's explore rapid ongoing developments that have XTI Aerospace supporters excited for fast flight in the near future, as it's making a sharp turn into the drone domain with its Drone Nerds acquisition, as well as favorable conditions brought about by the desire for greater domestic drone supply chains. Along with the innovations that are planned for the American drone industry once XTI starts flying full thrust into the world of drones. Since making its $40 million acquisition of Drone Nerds on November 10, 2025, XTI began its shift from developing the vertical takeoff and landing Trifan 600 aircraft to the high-growth U.S. drone market. Founded in 2014, Drone Nerds is one of the largest drone distributors and service providers in the United States, generating more than $100 million in annual revenue in 2024 and over $55 million in revenue through June 30, 2025. The company has been profitable for 10 consecutive years and brings extensive capabilities in drone systems design, configuration, hardware and software integration, fleet management, training, and certified repair across public safety, construction, energy, government, and other sectors, as well as deep customer relationships. The acquisition is also a big deal because it gives XTI the possibility to generate substantial near-term revenue and positive cash flow while benefiting from partnerships, including a $25 million investment from Unusual Machines in the form of a private placement. Unusual Machines is an NDAA-compliant component manufacturer that strengthens Drone Nerds' domestic supply chain amid growing regulatory scrutiny. Effective December 22, 2025, the FCC added certain foreign-made drones and components to its covered list, preventing future U.S. sales without authorization. Drone Nerds had already prepared for this transition by establishing sources for U.S.-made alternatives, positioning it as a trusted advisor for enterprise, government, and defense customers navigating compliance challenges. While existing FCC-certified products remain largely unaffected, future foreign-made drone models may require waivers or exemptions. Drone Nerds will continue supporting legally operated fleets while guiding customers toward compliant options as regulatory requirements evolve. XTI CEO Scott Pomeroy described the Drone Nerds acquisition as a foundational step in building a comprehensive portfolio of vertical flight and UAS capabilities, expanding XTI's scale, recurring revenue, and near-term operating footprint. Drone Nerds CEO Jeremy Schneiderman emphasized the fit and opportunities in enterprise drones, autonomous flight, and drones as a service. Financially, the move significantly alters XTI's profile. The company's market capitalization increased from under $10 million in April 2025 to nearly $65 million by January 16, 2026. XTI reported 34.5 million common shares outstanding and 99 million fully diluted shares. While XTI's legacy aircraft business generated limited revenue, Drone Nerds' scale provides a substantially larger operating base. Moving ahead, the historic aircraft program for the Trifan 600 remains a core asset. However, plans revolve around reducing spending on its aircraft development programs while preserving intellectual property and certification capabilities. Management views the Drone Nerds acquisition as a path to stabilize cash usage, strengthen the balance sheet, and reposition for growth in enterprise, government, and defense drone markets. Near-term focus is on scaling Drone Nerds, leveraging its revenue-generating platform, and navigating regulatory changes. One of the first things Drone Nerds did to scale as a subsidiary of XTI was starting a new partnership with Creality 3D Technology, a global provider of 3D printing, scanning, and laser engraving solutions. Expanding Drone Nerds' technology portfolio by adding Creality's ecosystem of 3D creation tools, broadening its offerings for both consumer and enterprise customers. Under the partnership, Drone Nerds will offer Creality's lineup of 3D printers, scanners, and laser engravers, including products such as the K2 series, Ender 3 V3 SE, High Combo, Falcon A1, and Raptor Pro. These tools enable users to design, print, and customize drone accessories, mounts, robotics components, engineering parts, and educational prototypes, supporting a more design-driven and personalized approach to drone technology. Drone Nerds? Leadership emphasized that 3D printing and scanning naturally extend the company's innovation-focused ecosystem. The partnership targets a broad customer base, ranging from drone enthusiasts, DIY makers, and educators to professional engineers and enterprise users seeking faster and more precise ways to turn ideas into functional hardware. For enterprise customers, Creality's technology enhances Drone Nerds' capabilities in sectors such as public safety, manufacturing, construction, energy, education, and research and development. Organizations can use these tools for rapid prototyping, custom component production, training aids, and in-house manufacturing, reducing costs and accelerating development cycles for all things drone-related. Then, to increase its product lineup and remind us drones aren't just for military or videography use, Drone Nerds added the ABZ Innovation L10V2 agricultural spraying drone to its enterprise agriculture product lineup. This addition enhances Drone Nerds' capabilities in precision agriculture, particularly for smaller, high-value, or fragmented fields up to 124 acres, specialty crops, orchards, and vineyards. The L10V2 features a 10-liter spraying system and utilizes controlled droplet application technology with rotary atomization, allowing adjustable droplet sizes to maximize efficiency while reducing water usage by up to 80% and pesticide usage by up to 50%. The drone supports real-time kinematic RTK connectivity with compatible EMLID base stations via LoRa for centimeter-level positioning accuracy. Its modular platform allows multiple payloads, including trichogramma, granule, and spreading applications, enabling flexible, biological, and seasonal workflows. The L10V2's portability and rapid deployment make it suitable for precision operations in hilly terrain, post-rainfall conditions, or otherwise inaccessible areas, supporting fast response disease control, variable rate treatments, and other precision agriculture tasks. Now, as the L10V2 keeps cultivating crops, helping XTI and Drone Nerds grow the seeds to scale their domestic drone footprint, please share this video if you like this shift from VTOL aircraft to drones. Then, for more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. See you next time.